Hello friends, this is Abhilasha in front of you. Today I am going to tell you about present perfect continuous tense. And today I am going to tell you about the combination of the perfect and continuous tense. In my previous lecture, I told you about present tense, present simple, continuous tense and present perfect tense. And this is the combination of two tense. First, I have a structure for you where to use, how to use the sentence, how to make sentence in English grammar in present perfect continuous tense. And second, we will see about the situation in which conditions you can use this tense. Let's start. In structure, we use subject plus helping verb have, been, and verb with the ing form. And subject has we use with the third person singular number or any name. Subject has been plus verb in ing form. Right? Use. What is the use of this tense? Where to use? Activity which started in the past tense and still it is in progress and has been in progress until now. It has been in progress until now means the activity or a situation or a action which is started in the past and is still going on. So we use present perfect continuous tense. I have example. I have been going to yoga class. What is subject here? Subject is first person I. We use have with the first person. Been, as the structure says, been. Going, verb go. We use ing form. Going to where? Yoga class. I have been going to yoga class. मतलब to go to yoga class, I have started in the past tense and still I am going there. Second example I have, she has been going to music class. What is the subject here, friends? Third person singular number, we use has. Been, verb go, we add ing form. She has been going to music class. She has been going to music class. She has started to go to music class in the past tense and still she is going. We use in perfect continuous tense, present perfect continuous tense, time expression with the word since or for. We use since or for. Example, she has been living in India since 1970. She, again third person singular number, we use has. She has been living ing form में in India since 1970. We use since when the century or the time has given. Second example, I have been learning yoga for 1 month. Here we don't know from when we are learning yoga, but I know I am going to yoga class for 1 month. So here we use for. I have been learning yoga for 1 month. When we don't know exact time, we use for. Third situation, repeated action. We use present perfect continuous tense with the repeated action. The action which is going on regular basis. We use present perfect continuous tense. Example, I have been kicking a ball against a wall since morning. I have been kicking. What am I doing? I kick the ball. So, chunki friends, I have been kicking a ball against a wall since morning. What am I doing? Since morning, I am kicking a ball against wall. So, I am doing this work since morning. So, we use since here. Friends, this brings me to the end of the lesson. Today I have explained you structure of present perfect continuous tense. What is the structure, what is the different situations, where to use, and time expressions. So this brings me to the end of the lesson. Friends, if you like my channel, my video, please like, share and subscribe it. Don't forget to press the bell icon. I will come back with the new lesson. Till then, bye.